Guys, what is happening, and welcome back to a brand new video. So today we are doing some work on the Seat Cupra Leon, 500 brake horsepower, absolute beast. So we got some things going on, so we best get it prepped and get it ready. So yeah, we still got to do a video on this. Who wants to see a 500 brake horsepower Cupra video driven by me and my brother? So yeah, we're going to show you what we're doing today, a couple of things to prep it, and some quite cool, well, this one thing anyway I love, and every car should have it. If you got a modified car, you should have these, definitely. So without further ado, let's get on it. So what we're doing today is, as you can see here, we have got a spacer on here. So I believe this is like a 15mm spacer, and we've got obviously standard nuts. So when you take the wheel off, it is an absolute nightmare to get. The wheel won't go on without the spacer, and you have to like line the wheel up with your legs and try and screw it in. It's an absolute nightmare. So this is a game changer. So we're going to do that, and I think we're fitting spriget rings as well, just for extra safety. And on this one, we're removing the 15mm spacer. So Cupra boys, he's running a 15mm on the rear, but it started to catch the tyre a bit, as you can see there. So we're going to take the 15mm off there. We're putting the 13 or 12mm on there, and then the 10mm is going on there. It's going to go on the front, and then we've got, I don't know where it is, they might be under here somewhere. These to fit. So, stud nut conversion, beautiful. Straight on there, front and back. And then while we're there, we've got EBC yellow stuff, I believe, to fit those as well. So yeah, we've got a fair bit to keep us going. And he runs, if anyone's wondering, 5W40 oil in the Cupra. Right guys, so jack, axle stand, you know the drill. Let's get this car up on an axle stand and get it safe, and then we'll get the wheels off. So spriget ring, take that off. Did you get that stock with the wheels? Did you? Sometimes it helps to copper grease it. Like, I know we ain't got none now, but a bit of copper grease will make it easier next time you take it on and off, because it will try and like, it will just seize to the as you see, it's a bit oily, but it's not too bad. But so that's going on the rear, yeah?
Potentially.
So what we got? K-Sport
8 pads.
Yeah, with yellow speed front pads, 2-piece floating disc. What are these? 356mm.
Yeah.
Definitely would recommend these. These are shit hot, mate. So yeah, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to run this bolt all the way through, just to clean the threads out. So yeah, let's get that in there. Okay. We should clean the barrel first.
The what?
Barrel of the fucking...
I did them to around 30 meters.
Yeah.
I think he said he'd gone down. He said, but that might be too much when it goes tight, basically.
So we've done the rear. Rear's been done up, and I've nipped it up with my trusty Allen key. The thing we're struggling with is, I don't think the holes in this are central, because when I go to put it on, if you look, if you show the camera here, this one is right up against it. And like that should be, I don't like it. I really don't like that, because if I try and push this on that, it could risk damaging the threads. That's horrible, that is, man. Try a different way. Nah, that should slide over like a glove, man.
No spacer it is. Bottom. Yeah.
Don't like
It's
that.
damaging. Right. It looks a bit shit on the thread.
What then? So we've got what, 10mm on the front? No.
5.
What, 5mm?
Yes.
Oh, so we've got a 5mm on the front. What was on it before?
12.
There was a 12mm on it before. And then on the rear, because we couldn't get that other one on, we've had to run it stock kind of fitment. So yeah, what tire are we running? What tire are we running? 225? 235, 40, 18 all round?
Yeah.
So let's do the other side then. And we've put it on, and mate, it is tight as a duck's arse there. Like, I don't know if you can see, but that, oh my goodness me. Come on, focus for me, babe. It is literally so tight, it's unbelievable. Look, scary times. But yeah, you're on, guys. It does look sound, to be fair. I probably would have gone,
I'm gonna order 7s.
I'd have gone probably 8mm front.
8, sorry. Yeah.
And then what on the rear? 5mm? 5?
Yeah, we'll put the 5s on there.
Yeah, it's definitely going to save the tyres, man. Like, yeah, guys, what do you think, man? I think that looks sound, that does. I reckon some copper nuts for there. But yeah, that looks absolutely sick, guys. So I know it was only a little one, but I said I'd document all the progress we do and that. So yeah, that was that little one. And the pads that we were going to put in, we're going to save them and probably do them when we go there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and hopefully we can get this out on the channel and you can see what 500 brakes like in a Cupra. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.